Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want Siri to announce notifications on your iPhone, whether through the speaker, Airpods, or CarPlay, there's a simple way to set it up. This feature is great if you're busy and need to hear notifications without checking your phone. Let's go through the steps to enable it. First, open Settings and scroll down to Notifications. Inside this menu, look for the Announce Notifications option and tap on it. This section controls how and when Siri announces incoming alerts. If you want Siri to read notifications aloud directly through your iPhone's speaker, toggle on Announce Notifications on Speaker. Once this is enabled, Siri will read your notifications whenever they arrive, as long as your phone is unlocked. While you're in this section, you can also customize which apps Siri announces. If you only want Siri to read notifications from specific apps, like Messages or WhatsApp, scroll down and select which one should have this feature turned on. This way you won't get unnecessary announcements for every app, just the ones that matter to you. Another option is to have Siri announce notifications through AirPods or CarPlay. If you often use AirPods, enabling this setting will allow Siri to read messages and alerts straight into your earbuds, so you don't have to check your phone. The same applies to CarPlay. If you enable this option, Siri can read notifications while you're driving, helping you stay focused on the road. These options can all be found in the same Announce Notifications section. That's how you can make Siri announce notifications on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this helped. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.